Hello and welcome to Enquire to Choir. My name is Eva and I'm here today to tell you what's happening. First of all, there are a few new subscribers here and I just wanted to say welcome and thank you for being here. This is a very small channel and I'm trying to build a community who really wants this and needs this. So by subscribing, you're letting me know that you get what this channel is all about. That said, I'm letting you know about the specific theme I'm going to talk about here in February, and that is choir competitions. The topics for the upcoming 4 videos here on Enquire to Choir are: should your choir go to a competition? How to recognize a good choir competition for you? How to choose the right repertoire for the competition? And amateur choirs and competitions discussion. Choir Conductor's Log, Episode 9. I really hope that you will find this series helpful, and I hope to see you around in February. Conduct well, conductors, and I'll see you in February. Bye!